It's a special day today. I know Mother's Day was last week, but we're actually having it this weekend. I think I said in a vlog last week. So, shush, Dolly. Gary and Frankie Jack are just playing outside football on the front lawn. But this is what I've just done we've got 8 of us sitting down for lunch today, but it's a really easy lunch because I've only had 2 days off work, so we're just making it really quick and easy. But I thought I'd set up a little bit of an Easter setup. So the runner is from Poundland. Those flowers are from a crafting shop, which was only £1. That's a real one, actually. The eggs, I think they're from Poundland. This basket is absolutely beautiful. I got this from a wholesaler's, and it's called Flower and Plants, and it's in Peterborough. Just put a hessian bow around it, and then I've filled it with a look of sort of wildflowers. But actually, I'm a bit cheated this morning because that has been made especially for somebody that really helped me on my birthday. You saw the 2 ladies, Michelle and Anne. They were absolutely extraordinary, and I've made that for them this morning. Then I thought, oh, that'd look nice on the middle of the table. But as soon as everybody's gone home, that will be going to another home. I've only just made it this morning, and that's for one of the other girls. So you can see they're like boxes, like what do you call it? Raffia, that's it. Gosh, you know when your mind goes blank. I've still got my pyjamas on. I've got to go and get ready because I've been setting up this morning. So these were from Tesco's last year. And then what I've done, if anybody's seen them yet in Poundland, they're absolutely fantastic. I've got these for the kids' party, but I've got yellow and blue to follow the Peter Rabbit theme. I always use... I've got a thing about it, unless there's trillions of us, I always use cloth napkins. However, I've actually used paper napkins today because part of the treat that we're doing, kind of almost like a little tapas, we're going to have bits of pizza. And unfortunately, I just think people with that tomato-based sauce, especially when I've got kids, they're just going to ruin my napkins, and it takes ages for it to come out. Sometimes it doesn't come out. So I've put these on, but these are air-laid, AIRLAID, and they're so much, you can't actually tell whether they're cloth or paper, but you can whiz them in the bin afterwards. And then I've just put a little egg, which obviously these are from Poundland, on there. That's I've made for my mum as well. But we're giving her another, well, Frankie Jack's made that, actually. Frankie Jack, I let him loose on that. And he absolutely loved it. But we're sorting other things out for my mum today. I'll tell you later. And then I've just put some eggs in there. I'm not so sure whether I'm keen on that. And then down here, I love my little Easter bunny set on there. But what I've done as well is I bought this tapas dish, or whatever you want to call it, nibble dish in Dubai, and I love it. The air-laid napkins again. And then I've just put some croutons, some olives, and then some tomatoes with cream cheese. And then I've even put my rabbit out here. And then look, Frankie Jack stuck a nice picture on the wall. And they're just out playing football now on the front street. So I'm going to go and have a shower. And everybody should be arriving very soon. That's a quick and easy Easter table that you can do that doesn't cost much money at all. I've got another Easter table that I'm going to be doing coming up to Easter for the kids. But don't forget to subscribe and that thumbs up. Please press that button. I so want to get to 2,000 and I'm around about 200 off. It'd be lovely for you to join the family and of course be part of us and what we do as a family. Always lovely to hear from you as well. That's why I love the comments in the section below. I'll see you tomorrow.